Hi, this is Kara from True to Scale. I'd like to share a new kit called A Study in Blue. This is a quarter-scale vignette that showcases paintings of seascapes and a collection of blue morpho butterflies sitting atop a stylish chest. A curious kitty has been caught in the act. This do-it-yourself kit includes various flooring options, 3D printed frames and cat, laser-cut chest and butterflies, and the artwork. Pretty artwork is even included for the back of the vignette. This little project leaves room to add your creativity. You may wish to experiment with a new painting technique on the wall or chest, try a crackle or a glaze finish, or maybe paint the wall in a bold color. In the case you would like to use the samples as your inspiration, the paint colors used have been written in the kit instructions. Of course, it's up to you to decide how well behaved your kitty is. If you'd like to learn how to make this sweet vignette, join me for an online workshop Saturday, August 29th, 2020. I'll present helpful tips along with the instructions. There will also be a live question and answer session. You may order the kit and sign up for the workshop on my website, true2scale.com. I hope that you'll enjoy making your study in blue.